Mets. Jeff, you're a 98.7 ESPN. First, Jeff, tell me a snow story. How's it in Fort Lee right now?
Oh, my brother, you ever been to Fort Lee?
Many times.
It's not a bad deal right now. And to be honest with you, it's really not that bad. You know, I grew up in Fargo, North Dakota. And,
Oh, well, yeah, this is
nothing to me, brother.
To you.
Nothing. No. I'm actually laughing at some of these people that are freaking out, buying milk and bread like it's going out of style. It's not a big deal. We've been
Like I said, if you've been in places that are snowbound, I mean, Albany can't come close to Fargo, North Dakota. But in Albany, we said that you didn't walk on the ground from Thanksgiving to Mother's Day. You were always walking on some level of snow. I mean, if you're in an environment like that, yeah, you know how to function in this mess. And it is a bit of a mess out there for folks who aren't used to this kind of thing. Jeff, you're excited about the New York Mets, though, are you not?
Oh, this is warming me up big time, Bill. Let me tell you, it's what's great about this is it's a 3-year deal, possibly 1-year deal. We'll see what happens with that. But what I like about it is it's so short. We're taking advantage of that young pitching that we have right now with Harvey, DeGrom, and Syndergaard. It's a perfect complement because we don't have to pay them, but we can pay Cespedes. And right now, Cespedes is just a New York kind of guy. I think he thrives off that energy that we provide the fans. And I think this could be a lot like the transition from 1985 to 1986, where in 85, you could see the building blocks were there. And then in 86, the potential is realized. And I can see that happening. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but you can see that. And one last comment, Bill. Kelly Johnson's he re-signed with the Braves, so he's out. But I would hope Uribe would be a nice addition. I think he helps Cespedes fit into the New York scene. What do you think?
I think Uribe was a big part of his transition to New York. And given David Wright's health situation, Uribe is an accomplished third baseman this year in this league. And with limited use, he, again, could be a very valuable part of what the New York Mets turn out to be in 2016.